we need the Wohiani Adrian Sachra. It is a change of mentality and a change of mind and a change of attitude. The Biani fix the country and fix the country. If you don't fix your attitude and if you don't fix yourself, how do you fix the country at large? And saying, during this COVID era, His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo has thought it wise to say, your land borders in India should remain closed. This son say ye bien na. A very difficult to control. A nipa a remu any nipa AP. For all you know, yet Omega na munim say your borders no are you closed. But say your ma and namas ye nipa a dear trenchie along our borders. Just say you will be shocked. Ebe yo nwanwa ye de ani chiremu e wo the Ghana Togo border e ho nsem na ye de bremu en anwumre e wo nsem PTV platform so ye nya ye recorded audios any videos show immigration officers gi nipeska mo wura mu to and fro from Ghana to Togo, from Togo to Ghana. Ye nya some citizens of Ghana ya omo edi motorbikes etete manchia ejini peskabo omo wura Togo mabi nso free Togo wura Ghana. Meanwhile the president is at the presidency. They say Nigeria onu susuye ni nyina ne say the borders are closed, but in the natural sense our borders are actively operating. Na chese enipa ewuramu ni nipa epie no esene de ewuramu po ewo eye Kotoka International Airport. Enti in some PTV out of 4 just sit back, relax, and enjoy how some immigration officers, how some citizens were caught red-handed, taking money and smuggling people across the Ghana-Togo border. Yeah, just say, it's so shocking. It's so shocking. It's so shocking. And just stay glued to your set and listen to and someone koso ni nyoma koso that do no na nipa bebre no enimi say hearsay just rumors but feel say adia koso.
The land borders are closed. In this STC bus heading to Aflao at about 5:20 a.m. I met Matateria from Takrady heading to Togo.
Main border na any power day. What shows him? Then we have a police no one. They would say a Tegana. No, say near Tegana. But that's now a combo for the beats 9. I was sure you for Segation Papa no for what you stay now.
According to her, items sold in Ghana are expensive compared to neighboring Togo. She embarks on this adventurous journey for over 10 hours into Lomé, the capital city of Togo. Our first point of contact with immigration officials was enough reason to appreciate the efforts and mandate of the uniformed officers tasked to protect our borders. Our bus was stopped and a search was conducted. Foreigners were subjected to further probe.
You were given 90 days to stay in Ghana, 2019, August, and you've been here for what date are you? Today?
It was expired in November.
Yeah.
November 9th. Are you aware? Yes, sir. Why haven't you gone to regularize your stay?
No, I'm not going to go to the month. I have plans to do.
So you see some of the things.
So he's illegally living in Ghana?
He's illegally residing in Ghana. He's attempting to illegally exit the country. He's owing the state.
So you have to pay some fines or what?
No, for now, we don't take the final decision. When he goes to the office, the big men are going to take a decision on him.
Our bus was discharged to go, leaving behind the foreigners who came into Ghana and overstayed their visa periods. At this point, I have agreed to accompany Matateria through her routes into Togo to better appreciate her trade. I wasn't lucky. Motor riders acting as spies had blown my cover at the very first point of payment.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm well, sir.
Can you pocket your phone for me?
I should pocket it. Alright. I'm from Accra.
So why are you here?
I'm here to enter into Togo to assess our borders, sir.
Yes, sir. Can you use the main border?
What should I use the mean border while others are using the shore, sir?
So kindly use.
So why would you allow others to use here? Why should I came with my auntie? My auntie is the one going, and you want me to go and use the mean border? Would that be fair to me? That's not fair to me. After several minutes of back and forth with the customs official, I've succeeded in winning the argument. I never paid a dime since they suspected me to be a journalist. I advanced my course along the beach like Christians on a pilgrimage. My supposed auntie from Takrady is long gone. The journey is now left to me alone. They were both men and women on this journey. I was with them, but with a heartbeat faster than usual. When I thought I had made significant inroads, the spies had reported me to the Togo side of the illegal checkpoint again. The network in my phone had switched to Togo cell. It will be difficult to reach my contacts on the border should these people attempt anything unreasonable.
Get a phone and I want to move.
Where phone I came across your phone I came across you. They conducted a search on my phone in an attempt to delete all videos I had taken. After this encounter and paying my way through, I can now take a deep breath and a sigh of relief. Here, I am in Togo in a fruitless search for Matatiria. This is Lomé, busiest central business district that can be compared to Tudu in Accra. After hours of not getting any Ghanaian to interview in Lomé, I returned with an Okada rider. At another checkpoint, each of us was made to pay 10 Ghana cedis. We are the Ghana Eastern border, specifically the Aflau border, to assess situation, and as we speak the border is still under closure. The Assistant Commissioner Fred Drodu noted that as men on the field of operation, they are guided and sometimes have to give consideration and exemptions to some indigenous people from the Ketu South municipality to cross the border to trade. This, he emphasized, must be done through the main border and not the unapproved routes. And I can see the number of bags are here. What is going on?
Yeah, these are some suspects who were intercepted from the pillars. There were also others who were also coming from Accra and elsewhere who were going to use the unapproved routes and cross and travel to Nigeria, Benin, and even beyond. So when we pick in intelligence that maybe a bus is coming, a vehicle is coming, that we have those suspects in them, our officers at Ivuta will stop the bus, profile them, and those people are brought to the office. Then when they come, since it's an attempt for them to what? To exit. So we take them through the process. Then we admonish them that the border closure is still in force. So if they want to travel to Nigeria or any other part of the country, they should go and use the airport. The airport is open. So you go through the processes there and you fly.
Assistant Commissioner who superintends over the Aflau Immigration Command, Fred Drodu, told City News, motor riders in Aflau are making their work difficult, but he believes more stakeholder collaboration will make them appreciate why there is the need for them to be involved in protecting the Ghanaian border.
The drivers, the motor riders too, they should also assist. They are key stakeholders in the whole operation that we are doing. It's a national exercise for us to prevent people from entering and exiting because of these COVID restrictions. So they should help. At times they see us as putting impediments on their means of getting some money. But you know, when they transport these people who have illegally crossed, they have a fee, a very high fee that they charge.
This has been denied vehemently by the motor riders.
Cross because na go immigration so le dianjita ke bakple wo bono wo fogele dianji tana we miamo mi ga te go na jumi ko na ka ko cross aka no area so mi ko na mo adi sale area mo aka tugu ame la mi ga te imo.
I mean, right now, where are you from?
From Lomé, Asigame, Togo.
But the borders are closed. How did you get in?
Okay, I think they still have a way of letting few people get in, and then moreover my sister works at the border.
Where I am standing currently is no man's land. To my right is Togo and to my left is Ghana. And this no man's land, a number of people are doing farming. And there is something called the beats and pillars. Where I am is beat 7, and the beats ordinarily are temporal kind of structures or gates formed between Ghana and Togo, where when they agree, both countries agree, they open it to travelers to use at times. People are here in Ghana, but they cross to do other engagements in Togo and return. More like people are even married in Ghana and their home is in Togo. So essentially, these are some of the challenges being faced by immigration officers here at the eastern border of Ghana. Security men are at post, policemen and a military man. I've seen them, and immigration officials are all at this particular beat, and the beats are more like the unauthorized routes that one can either use to access Ghana or exit Ghana, and that is the situation here. Despite the border closure, I have seen that the beat is closed and is opened at a point in time, and that is what I used today when I was on the motorbike into Ghana when I was returning from Togo. What has been the impact of the border closure on businesses? Money changers whose daily bread depends hugely on the number of travelers through the main border were not left out.
Which is thousands of because the immigration over to more than Minyabana Ghana border Malaysia. Elemnyomya bol fia minya border Ghana border Malaysia. Nkata border Malaysia do. Ya Togo to do gaja. Ko tro do amajua. E onye border imigraba beat.
Border closure for them yagata na never do ma for chomos like passengers no across border open up for support. Amati moji baba maleku. I made a Kukuna president for border name.
Like me happy passenger upon you.
Morutuna a member that Tuna member that Vana Maruha Tuna beat Vana Wabita Adanafuno Koganaga Subafi take cross Navana.
The Ketu South Municipal Chief Executive Maxwell Lugdo said, as the chairman for the Municipal Security Council, his wish was that the president opened the land borders to lessen the burden on his people, but notwithstanding, he believes an appreciable number of the population must be vaccinated.
We are all worried about the closure of the border, and I'm sure even the president himself is worried about it. I'm not sure the president will be happy the border is closed up to today. He's doing everything possible, but the truth of the matter is about the vaccine. We are encouraging a lot of our people to go for the vaccine. Coronavirus is real, so I think the president will be willing to open the border tomorrow if all things being equal. So we are praying, and I'm doing everything possible to educate our people.
In all, there are about 400 immigration personnel who guard Ghana's porous eastern border. Though the number may sound huge, it remains inadequate, likewise resources to effectively police the border. With our experience from dawn to this time, where we've seen market women being able to go into Togo and return, and some people also using the normal route.